Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a collection of spices which is perfect for cooking and grilling. So this is by a company called Thoughtful, and this is the Smokehouse collection. It's going to come in this little box here, and in every little window you are going to get a spice jar. So there is a 20 total jars of different spices. How it's going to break down is 15 of those are going to be rubs. 4 of those are going to be salts, and then 1 is just going to be a seasoning. What's great about each jar, they're going to range, they're all about the same size here, and they range anywhere from a quarter of an ounce all the way up to 1 ounce, just depending on how big the little spices are or the salts are in there. Great for all kinds of meats, whether you are grilling steaks, if you are cooking chicken, doing pork chops, lamb chops, whatever, you have a perfect little spice that you can apply to those and just gives that extra flavor to whatever you are cooking. So what all you're going to get? You're going to get here is the Mexican spice blend. You're going to get an Italian seasoning. You are going to get a Jamaican jerk, a chipotle lime, a jalapeno. You're going to get a rosemary herb. Now you're going to get a grilled rosemary, which is absolutely great. You're going to get a thyme, and when you open them up, they're just basically these little holes here that are very easy to pour out on the meat, just a big hole at the top. And you can really smell it when you open them up, the various scents. You get some cayenne. You're going to get Montreal spice rub, a Southwest spice rub. Once again, great for steaks. You're going to get a Caribbean spice rub. You're going to get a black Cajun, a chili onion rub. Then you're going to get a chili salt, a Cajun spice rub, a garlic spice rub, a chili garlic spice rub, and a Memphis spice rub, and then finally here you will get a chili parsley spice rub. So like I said, lots of unique fun flavors to try out, see which ones you like, experiment a little bit. Totally makes an amazing gift also. So if you're looking to have a great gift or just shake up in the kitchen with different spices, I totally recommend checking out this set. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that's it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.